In last video, we had seen how to select MCB specification, like its type and current specifications. In today's video, we will see how to connect MCB and what should be the workmanship to connect MCB. When you check any MCB, you will find here some indication like line and load. Here it is indicate you should connect your line, means AC circuit over here, and load connection at this connection. This is the connection diagram already given on this MCB. We should connect this type of MCB only as per the instruction or that given diagram over MCB. When this type of connection diagram or connection instruction given on MCB, you should connect load at load point and supply at supply point. If you connect in reverse polarity, it may be chance that your MCB burn out during overcurrent operation or in short circuit condition. When you are using your MCB for DC application, of course that MCB will be DC MCB. There also you will find this connection like positive, negative and supply and load connection. In case of you reverse this connection or make mistake in connecting this MCB over line and load, it may get fired during overcurrent or short circuit protection trigger. You will find in market MCB which will not indicate any connection diagram or line load indication on MCB. This type of MCB called as bidirectional MCB, where you can connect your line and load at any point of MCB. At short circuit or overload condition, this MCB will operate. Let's do some practical experience of this operation. Here I am connecting line and load at correct point. Wherever indication is given is line, I am connecting line connection, and wherever load is given, I have connected load in MCB. Let's see what happens when any short circuit protection operate in MCB. Let's see. You can see this MCB operate when any short circuit triggers. Now I am reversing line and load connection connected with this MCB and try to check what will be result when we try to short circuit this MCB. Let's see. You can see this MCB is not operating. This is the dangerous condition for this MCB. I have one more MCB which is bidirectional MCB. Let's see what happens when we connect this MCB in circuit and operate it with short circuit protection. You can see there is no indication is given on MCB like where to connect line and where to connect load. We are just connecting line and load connection with MCB. let us trigger short circuit protection of MCB. Let's see what happened. We have switch on the MCB and operate short circuit. You can see this MCB is giving short circuit protection. So in this condition it is operating, it is good. Now we will also check whether it is operating or not in reverse polarity. I have reversing polarity of this MCB and we will try to trigger short circuit in this MCB. Let's see what happen in bidirectional MCB when we operate short circuit protection in bidirectional MCB while triggering. You can see this MCB is operating. This MCB giving protection when we connect line and load connection in reverse. So this is bidirectional MCB and we can connect MCB at any point of line and load. Let's see how we connect MCB correctly and what should be the workmanship to connect MCB in circuit. Here we have one MCB which is 4-pole MCB. Here you can see connector of MCB where you will connect your cables of line or load. Here you can see there is no diagram or any connection reference given over here, but you will find that connection reference at front side of MCB. Here it is clearly indicate you should connect your line at below of MCB and at upper side your load will be connected. Your line is coming from downside and at upper side you will connect your load. So let's see how we can connect this MCB correctly and what should be the workmanship for that. You can use lug to connect this MCB or you can also connect bare cable for proper connection. Let's see what happen when I am using lug over here. When I am tightening this lug, this is lug for 4 square mm, you can find here there is some gap is there. You can find over here there is some gap when I am connecting lug. So there will be a problem of connection. You cannot find that proper connection or proper contact area for given connector in MCB. So whenever you use lug, that lug should be proper according to cable, or if your connector on MCB is enough, then you can connect bare cable with this connection. How we should use bare cable of MCB, let's see. This is one of cable I am using. I am just twisting the cable and connecting. Here also you can find that connection area is not proper. You can also increase connection area just using some trick of connection over here. Let's see how we can increase connection area to avoid any loose connection, and where we can find better connection. You just connect cable this way, you will find your connection area is increased, your MCB will be properly connected with your cable. So here hitting or any unnecessary that loose connection can be avoided using this. You can see here some MCB has given connector for connection. If your cable is if your cable is thinner than given connector, you should use cable instead of using lug. Whenever you use lug, check that your lug should be of same metal from which your cable is made, and it should have proper connection area. Like this lug has wider connection area which will fit better in our MCB. This higher connection area will protect us from unnecessary heating and loose connection. Thank you very much to watch this video. If you want any particular video on particular topic, you can write down in comment box. We will try to bring this video for you. Thank you very much.